So, yeah. Last second. First patchy, guys. Well, I really hope the next one is going to be much, much better. Let's go. Best of luck. 5 times cash hunt in the top slot. Language. Is it a cash hunt? Please, I beg you. Come on, baby, come on. Yes. Woo! Bring it on, ladies and gentlemen. It is time to hunt some cash. Welcome, dearest ladies and gentlemen, to the hunting grounds of the cash hunt bonus game. Are you ready? Yes, we are. Let's check out those multis. Highest multiplier of this round gonna be what? What is gonna be? Oh, we have 5 times multi. I almost forgot, guys. I'm kidding, I didn't. So, the highest multiplier of this round, 500x. Let's get it. Let's go. Shuffling, mixing up those multis. Well, we hid them behind the emojis, but remember they're not related with anyhow, we are between each other. Anyways, mixing. Shimmy. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, let the hunt begins. Happy hunting time. You have 1 shot at this. Choose your target. Nicolosi, are you ready? I'm also going to choose the target. I'm going to go for the last bunny of this round. That's going to be my target. Yeah, final seconds. Guys, hold it. Decision closing. Hold it. Hold. Still hold. Multiplier reveal. I got the 125x. Congratulations to our winners. 14 players got the 500x multi. Almost 400 players got the 375. Enjoy, everybody. More than 6,000. With Spain. 7x on cash hunt. How tall are you? I am taller than my haters. No chance for anybody. No one stands a chance, yeah? Yes! Woo! Guys, big cash hunt. Let's go! You guys are doing so well. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Hello again. Killing it with bonus games. Yeah! Multipliers are there. Oh, yes, guys. Woo! 500x was there now. 7x on everything. Woo! Guys, 3,500x. That is the max multiplier. Are you ready for it? 3,500x. Oh, yeah, ba-dum-ba-bum-bum-bum. Oh, ba-dum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Boo! Alright. You are here to find the 3,500x, okay? Just like that. Good. I mean, there you go. Yeah? Please find. Auto pick is available. Also, of course, I literally just left for 2 spins. Yeah, man, like, see what happens? They do be wildin', yeah? So, let's go. Whoppa! I didn't find. But 93 players did find the 3,500x. And 4,878 winners in total. Congratulations to all of you. Wow, you guys. Well done.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.